How did MrBeast become so wealthy? Here's the recipe. In recent years, the name MrBeast has become synonymous with philanthropy, extravagant challenges, and mind-boggling amounts of money. With millions of subscribers on YouTube and a massive online following, MrBeast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, has gained both fame and fortune. But how exactly did he amass such wealth? In this video, we'll delve into the journey of MrBeast, exploring the key factors that contributed to his incredible success. Like many internet personalities, MrBeast started his journey on YouTube. He began uploading videos in 2012 at the age of 13, exploring various niches and experimenting with different content formats. It wasn't until several years later that he found his unique style that would captivate millions of viewers. One of the defining moments in MrBeast's career came in 2017, when he uploaded a video titled "Counting to 100,000. In this video, he literally counted from 1 to 100,000, capturing the attention of many viewers who were curious to see if he could pull it off. The video went viral, propelling him into the limelight and kick-starting his path to success. MrBeast's content is characterized by his extravagant challenges and acts of generosity. From donating large sums of money to strangers to spending 24 hours in outrageous locations, his videos push the boundaries of what is possible. These attention-grabbing challenges not only entertain viewers but also attract brand partnerships, sponsorships, and advertisers, all of which contribute to his growing wealth. With millions of subscribers and billions of views, MrBeast's YouTube channels have become a lucrative platform for him. The primary source of income for most YouTubers is advertising revenue, which is generated through ads displayed on their videos. As his viewership and popularity soared, so did the income generated from ads. While YouTube remains a significant source of income, MrBeast has diversified his revenue streams to increase his wealth. His devoted fan base is very interested in the merchandise lines he has launched, which sell items like t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories. Despite his extravagant lifestyle, MrBeast is known for his philanthropy and giving back to the community. He has donated large sums of money to charities, individuals in need, and even fellow content creators. His generosity not only reflects his personal values but also resonates with his audience, further strengthening his brand and earning him support from his followers. A few believe that MrBeast is trying to gain even more popularity by taking advantage of others' unfavorable situations. This has been repeatedly raised as a question on the forums until today. The fact that if someone watches a video, he can see that sometimes he himself is sensitive to the events and that it is obvious that he has a heart and soul contradicts this. But this is really a minor criticism compared to the love of the fans. MrBeast continues unabated and does not deal with these criticisms since, as mentioned above, he donates a lot and tries to be a useful member of society, and obviously, if this is present in the right proportion, that's all that matters. MrBeast's journey from a young YouTuber to one of the wealthiest influencers today is a testament to his creativity, dedication, and entrepreneurial mindset. Through his unique content, strategic partnerships, and diversified revenue streams, he has built an empire that continues to thrive. However, it is important to note that MrBeast's wealth is a product of his hard work and the support of his loyal fan base. As he continues to make a positive impact and entertain millions, his wealth is likely to grow, opening doors for even greater philanthropic endeavors in the future. If you found the video interesting, please honor us with a like. For similar videos, click on the subscribe button and don't forget the bell.